5 seconds. Start. Indeed, comma, it gives me great pleasure in welcoming you all to this inaugural function of the Golden Jubilee celebrations of our chamber. Full point. I am very, very happy that our beloved Prime Minister has so kindly accepted our invitation to inaugurate this Golden Jubilee celebrations. Full point. It is not necessary for me to mention here about the high qualities of our illustrious Prime Minister, as most of you know him intimately than me. Full point. He has rendered great service to the nation and has held several prestigious and responsible posts since independence. Full point. Next para. Presently, our nation is passing through a critical period of time since independence. Full point. Millions of people are starving without food, comma, shelter and clothing, and we have to face the problem of feeding, comma, clothing and sheltering those unfortunate and helpless people. Full point. This problem is imposing a great burden on our social and economic spheres. Full point. Similarly, comma, I am of the opinion that the provision of drinking water to the villages is also necessary in the interest of the health of the people. Full point. Of course, some progress has been made in this respect, comma, during the last 30 years, comma, but the government should give priority to this subject and provide drinking water in all the towns and villages as early as possible, without causing much hardship to the common man. Full point.